Want to know how to find someone you accidentally blocked on WhatsApp on your iPhone? It's easy to check and unblock them if needed. In this video, I'll show you how to find and unblock anyone you may have mistakenly blocked. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. Open up the settings. Scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap Apps. Next, find the phone app and tap on it. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Blocked Contacts. Then slide left, the contact you want to unblock. Tap Unblock. Method 2. Open up the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on the Settings app. After that, tap on Privacy. Here you will find the blocked option. Tap on it. Now slide left, the contact you want to unblock. Tap Unblock. And here is how you can find someone you accidentally blocked and how to unblock them on WhatsApp on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay tuned.